Hello, I'm Lesley Logan, and we are doing swimming on the long box. So swimming is part of the second long box, which is often skipped when doing a reformer practice. It's considered more of like the super advanced. To be honest, I actually think that the second long box could be more accessible, or at least part of it, to other people, as long as you practice the exercises somewhere else in the room first. So if you've done swimming on the mat, you probably do swimming here. It's really not that dangerous, but it's super fun, right? So I already have 2 springs on because of the second long box series has 2 springs. And coming on to the long box, finding length, reaching the arms forward and the legs back, and then you just swim like you would on the mat. And you want to just make sure you're swimming your legs up and your arms up, and that you're not rocking side to side. So you should feel your tailbone going super long. You do 2 to 3 cycles of breathing, and then you can do the other parts of your second long box and continue on with your reformer. It's such a juicy exercise, to be honest. If you want to do it on your first long box around your pulling straps, I don't think anyone's gonna write home that you're doing it in the wrong spot, because it's just a really good way to wake up the back, challenge what you know, and just keep the flow going in your practice. The more you can strengthen the back, the better you are. So if you have any questions about this, please put it in the comments below. I am so grateful for you, and thank you so much for sharing these videos that speak to you. I really appreciate it, and I hope to see you next time.
Hi, I'm Meredith, and I'm one of the people creating onlinepilatesclasses.com. One of the things that I love most about this project is that we're building the very first free online catalog of Pilates exercise how-to videos. We release 3 new videos each week. People often leave comments asking Lesley to explain a specific exercise, and you can do that too. And if you love watching these videos and believe in the project of creating this catalog, you can support it by joining Lesley every week in her online mat and reformer classes. Just go to onlinepilatesclasses.com/subscribe.